Story Nest.
Sophie the seal, with her sleek silver fur glistening, and Timmy the turtle, his shell adorned with emerald green algae, plunged into the shimmering turquoise water, their eyes wide with anticipation. They were off on an adventure to explore the legendary sunken city, a realm whispered about in hushed tones by the elder sea creatures. Darting past, swaying kelp forests that danced in the gentle currents, they encountered schools of dazzling fish, their scales shimmering like 1,000 tiny jewels. Purple tangs, striped clownfish, and electric blue damselfish flitted around them, their curious eyes observing the new arrivals. Ahead, a breathtaking sight unfolded. The coral castles of the sunken city rose majestically from the seabed, their intricate structures painted in vibrant hues of scarlet, gold, and lavender. Anemones, with their waving tentacles, adorned the castle walls, and tiny crabs scuttled across the sandy floor. As they ventured deeper into the city, they discovered a hidden grotto, illuminated by a soft, ethereal glow. Inside, a wise old sea turtle, with barnacles dotting his ancient shell, greeted them. He shared tales of the city's glorious past and the importance of respecting the ocean's wonders. With hearts full of awe and newfound knowledge, Sophie and Timmy bid farewell to the sunken city, promising to cherish its beauty and protect its delicate ecosystem. They swam back towards the surface, the sunlight filtering through the water, their splash-tastic adventure forever etched in their memories.